Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use LinkedIn for professional networking. So without further ado, let us begin. First and foremost, you can start off by creating and completing a professional profile. So what I mean by that is by completing all the sections that are needed so that it can leave a lasting impression to the people that are viewing your profile. So you can do that just by going to add profile section right here and just start off by filling out these sections. So you can start off by adding your education, add position, career break, skills, and then for the recommended section, you can also add featured, add licenses and certifications, projects, courses, and recommendations. And then for additional, you can also add volunteer experience, publications, patents, honors and awards, test scores, languages, organizations, causes, and contact info. With this, the people that will be viewing your profile can see all the things that you have done and that it will leave a lasting impression on them. And in making your profile, make sure that you should also fill these parts out. So for your about section, make sure you provide a summary about yourself and what you do, and make sure that it is detailed. Next, for activity, you should always be active in LinkedIn so that people will know. And in making your profile, you should also fill these parts out. So for the about section, make sure you should provide a detailed and summarized version about yourself on what you do. And then in activity, make sure that you're always active so you can start off by posting, your projects and stuff, and just by updating. Moving on, also add experience right here. It could be any experience that you want, anything that is related to your field. Also for education and skills. Next thing that you can do is by going to your university's page on LinkedIn and then search up for alumni. So what you need to do again is go to your university's page in LinkedIn and then just go here on alumni. And then from here you can see all the alumni that are in your school and that are using LinkedIn. And then after that, you can use the filter feature to filter out alumni that are in the same field as you. So you can ask tips for them or just connect with them. So for example, I want my alumni to be in the field of computer engineering. So I'll just use the filter feature and I'll just type computer engineering. Then when I click on search, you will see all the alumni over here that are taking or already took computer engineering. And then from there, you can connect with them and you can also send a message with them asking tips and stuff and everything that you want to ask. And in the filter feature, you could also see where they work, where they live, what they do, what they are skilled at, what they studied, and how are you guys connected. This filter also works with company alumni. So what you can do is go to your company's page and then go to people, and then you will see there the people that are working or have worked for that company. Next tip that you can do is just by messaging people. So as we all know, we can't message people directly in LinkedIn if we don't have a first degree connection with them or if we don't have a premium account. So what you can do is just by joining groups in where you guys have similar interests or have a similar field. So for example, I already have a group over here that's related with IT. So what you want to do is just go to the group page and then go to show all, and then you will see all the people over here that you can message. So as you can see, I can message anyone from this group right here. And then from there, you can ask them some tips or questions or directly just connect with them. So when it comes to sending messages on LinkedIn, make sure that you craft a custom and thoughtful message. So make sure when making messages in LinkedIn, you have these three valuable parts. So make sure that it is relatable to your field or the job that you're taking. Next is by complimenting the person that you are messaging to. And then lastly, add value to it. So I have made a sample message right here. So it starts off like this. Hi, and then just input the name of the person right here. And then just say this. I hope this message finds you well. I recently came across your profile while exploring professionals in the computer engineering field, and I was genuinely impressed by your work, and then mention a project or achievement that they have highlighted. Your expertise in programming is truly inspiring. So, as a current computer engineer student and at your school. I am particularly interested in a project that you made. I am always eager to learn from seasoned professionals like yourself who have made significant strides in this field. I notice you have experience with AI development, so you can input anything in this part right here, and I would love to hear any advice you might have for someone looking to excel in this area. Additionally, I have read an insightful article on AI which I found incredibly helpful and thought you might enjoy as well. So just input the link here if you want to add this part. And then lastly, thank you for considering my connection request. I look forward to the possibility of learning from your experiences and perhaps even collaborating on future project. Best regards, and then your name right there. So yeah, those are pretty much the basic tips on how you can use LinkedIn for professional networking.